Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today is just going to be a chill day. Ollie and Louie have left the house to go hang out, and Stella's hanging out with her friend Marie Grace, and I'm just doing some work and cleaning up the house. So this vlog is just going to be really chill.
I'm so happy that your mom let me stay over for the day.
Yeah, we get to hang out all day today. I'm so happy.
I think we should make some more slime today. It sounds really cool to me.
I don't know. I don't think it's a good idea.
I think it'll be really fun.
Well, I could have some light blue slime.
We do need some ingredients though.
Yeah, I think I have some inside my closet.
Okay, let's go get them.
Now that we have our ingredients, let's start. Yeah, I'm really excited. Let's just not tell my mom, okay?
Alright. First, let's add the glue.
Now let's add the lotion.
Baby oil!
Activator, my favorite part.
Light blue color right now is my favorite part of this slime.
Last but not least, the decoration.
I'm loving my slime a lot.
Me too.
I'm gonna add some more lotion in mine.
Ooh, give me the lotion. I need to add some more inside of mine.
Okay.
This one looks really pretty.
I know, I'm loving it. Let's start playing now.
Whoa, that was really cool. Oops. Look, I got it on my face. I'm loving the slime so much.
I like the sparkles in it, and the flowers.
I like the light blue color.
Me too. Wanna play catch the slime with me?
Sure.
Okay, let's start. I'm gonna take the one that's rolled up in the ball.
I can use mine to play as a bat.
Okay.
I guess we can call it baseball now. Alright, I'm gonna throw. Actually, I'm gonna use the spoon. Okay.
3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness! You're going to be in so much trouble.
I know. Let's try scraping it off.
It's not coming off.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Why do I hear so much screaming? I'm gonna see what the girls are up to. Hey girls, what are you doing? Uh-oh. Oh my god, what happened to my mirror? Who told you guys you can make slime? We're sorry. You're grounded, Stella, and I'm calling your mom Marie. You guys made a big mess. You guys are all gonna scrap it off.
It's not gonna come off.
Well, make it work. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next video. These girls are so much in trouble.